In this episode of Cleaning with QMS, we answer the question of, should I vacuum or not? This episode will prove how much dry soil is left in the carpet after the wet cleaning process. And we're going to find out who left those dirty footprints on my clean carpet. So sit back and relax. Let's find out on this episode of Cleaning with QMS Vacuuming Edition.
Good morning, YouTube and Facebook and everybody else. So this is Tuesday, September, hold on, 25th, 26th? I have no idea what day it is. I lose track. Anyway, so I did this urine job yesterday. Quite a bit of urine. About $150 treatment, not including the cleaning charge and everything else. But let me show you here. Carpet was very brand new. You just see my footprints on it from when I went out the window. Easier to go out the window than wrap all the way around. So anyways, nice carpet, good carpet. It was protected before. All the urine smell is gone. I'm walking through the rooms, no smell whatsoever, just some of the lingering unchanged smell, which is good. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to vacuum up, and I told them I wanted to do this. I want to re-vacuum because when I was cleaning, I was picking up a lot of hair still on the hoses. So that was kind of irritating. So I want to make sure when the new people move in, there's no hair getting on them or anything else, because what's going to happen is they're instantly, whether there's urine in the carpet or causing odor or not, they will smell it because it will be mental. Mental odors are the hardest odors to remove. Technically, you can't remove them because they're in people's minds. They don't exist, but they're there. And it's true. So, as you can see, empty, little dusty. I had a job, I couldn't get all that dust off, so I'm going to clean it today, but empty. And let's do this. I'm going to raise this up one level. I'm going to dig in too far on this one, but let's hit it, see how it goes. Let's see if we get any hair. But sometimes you get those jobs and it's just an excessive amount of hair. And once the dog hair gets wet, it sticks to the carpet, so. I'll try and do it like I would clean with a wand stroke, so it's nice and clean as I go out the door. No footprints. me somebody stepped on the carpet. Somebody came in and opened up that window. There was a footprint, dirty footprint right there. So I'm going to show you. Actually, I'll show you at the end. I could already see it. Just as I thought. There was a lot of hair in this unit. A lot. I knew it. Long-haired dog, I think they said it was. I'm sure it was a dog or cat, but I think it was a dog. Alright. Some oil on the back wheels. bought this little Gorilla Pod, but I can't use it because I forgot to bring the other adapter, so I'll have that to maybe get some new angles and things. Get some high shots. Power. Let's see. Power now. No. Okay, one more time. I'll flip the wall switches. Sometimes they're switch power. Alright, ready for the reveal? This is why vacuum is extremely important. This was vacuumed out by me prior, by somebody else. And then I was gonna vacuum before, but I made the mistake of treating the urine too quickly and forgot to vacuum, so I couldn't do it. So I figured I'll come the next day anyways. Look at that. This is all the stuff hot water extraction does not remove. I cleaned this carpet. This is still left inside. I only had 100 feet of hose from here to my truck. I had extremely good vacuum. This is what gets left behind. You have to vacuum carpets before you clean them. This is why. I'm glad this kind of happened, actually. It kind of proved to myself that, yeah, you can't get all that out no matter what. You need to get it out with a dry method first, then hot water extract. So yeah, that's it. This is the video for the day. See you in the next one.